Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to send a snap without media upload. So before you do that guys, of course navigate to the section where you can pretty much make a snap with your camera, then take a snap as so. And now guys, what you're looking to do is you need to press on the little icon on the top right. So it's going to be the third one from the top. All right, so press on it. And as you can see, we have different stickers and all that stuff. And we are looking for the sticker that lets us access the camera roll. In our case, it's going to be the one on the top right. So the very right one from the top, the very first one. So you can just click on it and choose your photo. All right, so for example, I choose this photo. I will put it on the center like that. And now you can just press on send to, choose your contact, and yeah, pretty much send it without uploading anything. So you can just send it to the chat, to someone you like, and that's pretty much it. So enjoy guys. If this helped you in any way, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.